Hey everybody, if you have a second, I'd like to talk about Alzheimer's. My name is John Osipinski, and I've been studying a lymph-brain connection for over 24 years. Today on social media, I posted how in over 20 diseases of the brain, they know that it's about tau protein, about cellular waste. They just found senescent cells, and you hear me talk about senescent cells often. Senescent cells are cells in the body or the brain that have not gone through their normal apoptosis where they die and break apart, and these cells float around like zombies, giving off waste. The waste that they give off damages nearby tissue. It kills it. This may play an important role in autoimmune diseases. But today we're talking about Alzheimer's. Have you noticed how many places are being built to take care of the brain and seniors? I know here in Arizona, we have hotels, big hotels, that are being taken over and are becoming brain centers for the elderly. And the research that I posted today is really important because it talks about how they remove these senescent cells in the brain by using a chemotherapy drug and quercetin. And quercetin is a flavonoid that is in fruits and vegetables like kale. And what they saw in these mice is that by giving them this combination of drugs over a few weeks, they saw the senescent cells clear out. The cellular waste left. It was broken down. And the aged mice, they saw, again, better function and better ability for the mice to, again, think. So this is big because they showed that by clearing this cellular waste, they were able to make a positive change in the brain. And what did they use? Chemotherapy and a flavonoid, which is something that's in fruits and vegetables. So I believe there are much better ways to help clear waste in the body. Remember, I wrote a book in 2006 how all of our health problems are due to cellular waste building in our body. So learning how to maintain your lymphatic system to remove this cellular waste, because really our lymphatic system is what maintains our cellular environment and must remove a lot of this cellular waste. So if you're concerned, whether you're in your 40s or you're in your 70s, if you're concerned about Alzheimer's, and I'm dealing this in my family now, and I can tell you it's heartbreaking to go through it. And I'd like to help as many people as I can understand how to help their brain by removing cellular waste, by improving their lymphatic system. And this is really the proper use of science. Whether you're anxious, whether you have depression, whether you can't sleep, whether you're emotional a lot, it doesn't matter. It all has to do with whether our lymphatic system is able to maintain our brain to reabsorb cerebrospinal fluid. So this is really basic science. Our body is again full of fluid, and our lymph system is a system that must return waste and fluid and fat back to our blood. And when it can't, this cellular waste can build in any part of your body, creating your specific health problem. In this case, we're talking about Alzheimer's. So again, if you'd like to retain your memories, you want to have a strong brain and be able to think as you get older, the biggest thing I get from people is they have foggy thinking. And that is the beginning of your brain filling up with cellular waste and having a little bit of excess fluid. So if you'd like to change your health, you'd like to think clearer, contact me at healthylymphsystem.com. That's healthylymphsystem.com. The science I present at my website is really simple. We all have a lymphatic system. We need to maintain it. While you're at my website, check out my course, Detox Your Lymphatic System, Boost Your Brain, Weight Loss, and Life. This is a simple course that I've developed for really everybody. It doesn't matter whether you have a brain problem, you have digestive problems, skin problems, organ problems, you're swelling. It does not matter. We all need to learn how to maintain our lymphatic system using diet, supplements, exercise, And what I developed a self-lymphatic drainage routine, an 8-minute routine that you'll learn and how to instantaneously help improve lymph flow and circulation and detoxification in your body. And this is something you'll learn in less than 2 weeks. So if this makes sense to you, check out my site. If you have any questions, contact me at healthylymphsystem.com. Have a great day.